doing?
She's trying to lure you away. Look, 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 look. She will fly on you.
She will?
Yeah.
Okay, hello. I'm recording this. She's going away. She's like, I don't want
Show
those
the eggs first.
There they are.
Look at her. Look at her acting like she's hurt.
Oh, better move out of the way.
Dude, that is awesome. She's acting like she's hurt. Look at her. Watch her put her wing down. Now show her eggs.
Right there. I think she runs. Crazy bird. Treats are for kids.
I'm just doing it so that you can get a good video.
There's a wasp too. She's calling the wasp. Wasp police. What you gonna do? It's the...
Let me know when you got enough footage.
That is amazing. There's the eggs. Where they are? There they are. That's her.
Go closer to the egg. Watch. Don't touch them. If you do, she will leave. Look, look. She's trying. Look, get that. She's acting like she's wounded.
Oh man.
So that we'll get away from her. That is amazing.
That is crazy. Oh, chill, chill.